What's up guys, it's the Bio Chef here. Today we're going to be looking at an exam question about receptor binding. So, which is the most immediate change after a receptor binds its signal? Is it A, differential gene expression, B, activation of Q proteins, C, the receptor undergoes a structural change, or D, increase in the number of signals transducing proteins? So take a second to pause this video and try to do this on your own. So the correct answer is going to be C, the receptor undergoes a structural change, and let's get into why this is the correct answer. So remember, the question is asking what is the most immediate change, and it's going to be structural change. This is what leads to other downstream effects of reception, like the activating of intracellular signaling pathways, or altering of gene expression, or influencing the activity of other proteins. However, the structural change in the receptor itself is the first step in the process, and it occurs immediately upon binding of the signal molecule. Remember that. That is very important to know. So that's why C is the correct answer. Let's look at A now, differential gene expression. We just talked about this, but let's get into it. Differential gene expression refers to the changes in pattern of a gene expression in a cell or organism in response to a stimulus. This is a longer term effect that occurs after the initial signaling events have taken place. So basically, after the structural changes have taken place, then differential gene expression does occur. So that's why A is wrong. Let's look at B now, activation of Q proteins. So this is a specific example of signaling event that can occur after a receptor has undergone a structural change. Q proteins are involved in transmitting signals from the cell membrane to the interior of the cell. So that's why B is the wrong answer choice as well. Let's look at D now, increase in the number of signal transducing proteins. So this is actually a common outcome of receptor activation, but it occurs over a relatively long time frame, and it's not an immediate change like we're looking for. This is a series of events that occur as a result of the receptor undergoing a structural change and activating intracellular signaling pathways. So that's why D is wrong. Just remember that structural change is always the first step that occurs. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Peace.